Welcome to my presentation. Today I'm going to talk about my famous writer and his plays. My famous writer is William Shakespeare. He is not only my favorite writer, but also everyone's favorite writer. He is also the greatest writer of England and the greatest writer in the English language. He was born 1564 in Stratford, England, and he married Anne Hathaway at the age of 80. He had three children one twins that named Hamlet and Joyce. The other child's name is Susanna. His plays were performed at the Global Theatre, which became closely associated with his name. Shakespeare wrote 339 plays and 154 sonnets and several long poems, including famous tragedies. Then I want to go next page. I want to talk about his some plays. These are their names. I want to talk about the first play that name is Macbeth. This book is involved about there was a person and everybody encouraged him to go and kill the king. He goes and kills the king and feels himself he is bravery man, but after he feels himself guilty and kills himself. The other book is Othello. It is also a tragedy that's written by William Shakespeare. There was a man who lost his wife so much, but there was a tricky man who his name is Iagi, and he encouraged him that your wife is cheating you. Convince him your wife is cheating you, and he goes and kills his wife. But after he understands everything, but it's too late. The other book is King Lear. It is also a tragedy that written by William Shakespeare. There was a king. He had three daughters. He gave his kingdom to his daughter, but two of his daughters lied to him, but the youngest one didn't lie. But end of this book, I think it is so sadly, he died so sadly. The last one, Hamlet, it is also tragedy. There was a man, he kills everyone. What we can say about there was one girl, princess, and the princess who killed by his aunt, but her father wanted to revenge on him, but he can't. Then I want to speak about today's topic. It is my favorite book. It is also written by William Shakespeare in the 1594 and 1596. This was the first place of William Shakespeare that early career. It is the book side. I want to enter this book inside. There was love at first sight. It is like the Romeo goes a party in a Juliet's home, and when he see the Julia, he fails immediately. But their families were but their families were enemies. Even though he knows she is from enemy family, but he again falls down here. After seeing at the first sight and falling down each other, they decide tomorrow to marriage. This marriage is secret marriage. Just
on next day, marriage is on.
yes. Tomorrow they decide to marry with the help of a priest named Friar Lawrence. No one knows their marriage, just them. But everything will not be good because there was a cousin that Julius' cousin Julius. His name was Tybalt, and he goes and kills the Romeo's best friend. And Romeo wants to take revenge on him, and he goes and kills the Tybalt. Julia missing Romeo because the Prince of Verona punishes him because he killed the Tybalt, and he become away from Julia, and Julia missing him. She is disappointed. Julia's parents wanted her to marry a nobleman that his name is Paris, but Julia doesn't want to marry with him because he wants to marry with Romeo, so they are married. So she doesn't want, she refused her parents' offer. And Julia creates a plan, goes a Friar Lawrence, and she says that help me. And the Friar Lawrence gave her a potion that if she drinks this potion, she will seem dead for 2 days. And the plan is like when she drinks this potion, she will seem dead, and they will message to Romeo, Julia has died, Julia is dead, and Romeo will come, they will run together. But unfortunately, this plan doesn't go like planned, because when she drank and seemed 2 days like that, this message never reaches to Romeo, and Romeo thinks that Julia is dead. He comes to the tomb of Julia, like this photo. He kills himself with a dagger. After killing himself, Julia wakes up and she sees that Romeo killed himself on the tomb of her. He kills herself also. The lovers die and sleep together forever. At least I want to thank you all for listening and concentration, giving attention to my presentation. I want to hear the questions.
That's enough then.